Hello, let's make a video. Today is June 1st, 2013. Today I'd like to talk about the film My Fair Lady. The film My Fair Lady has Rex Harrison and Audrey Hepburn. And Rex Harrison plays the character of a professor of phonetics and tries to teach correct pronunciation to Audrey Hepburn. There is a phrase in this film that Rex Harrison makes Audrey Hepburn say again and again. The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain. That's the phrase. And Audrey Hepburn pronounces this phrase in a different way. She says, the rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain. That's the way she pronounces. And I was watching this movie, and I thought that the Audrey Hepburn's pronunciation is actually the right one, and Rex Harrison's pronunciation is wrong. The way he pronounces actually is wrong. At least historically, because if you think about it, for example, the word Spain. If you look at other European languages, the word Spain should be Spain. Because if you look in Spanish, for example, it would be España. In Portuguese also is pronounced España. And probably in other languages, German, French, Italian, all other European languages, probably the A is pronounced as A. So Spain should actually be Spine. I think that is the original, older, correct pronunciation, because that's how other European languages pronounce the word. A in most other European languages is pronounced as A. So instead of Spain, it should be spine. And it's very interesting because Audrey Hepburn's character in the movie My Fair Lady pronounces spine instead of Spain. And I was thinking about it. Her pronunciation actually should be the right one, the correct one, because that probably is the older original pronunciation, and the sometime in the middle, I don't know, 19th, 18th century, the pronunciation changed. And I think it's very interesting because Rex Harrison is a professor of phonetics and tries to teach the correct pronunciation. But if you think about it, what is the correct pronunciation? How do you define a certain pronunciation as correct? What we have here is an older pronunciation and a newer pronunciation. And the newer pronunciation is the pronunciation of the dominant class, the richer class. And the richer dominant class imposes its own pronunciation to the rest of society. And in this movie, Rex Harrison belongs to the richer dominant class, class in the society, the rich, and they impose their own pronunciation to the rest of the society, English society. And that kind of thing probably happens, not just England, of course, all countries in the world. And I think it's very interesting because this same phenomenon is also happening in Japanese. In Japanese, the pronunciation I, many people pronounce it as E. For example, instead of saying iranai, some Japanese people may pronounce it irane. They change the pronunciation of the vowels. I, instead of I, they pronounce it as E. And I I think this is it must not be just a coincidence. I think it must be some kind of a universal phonetic transformation, probably maybe present in most languages in the world. Human beings may have a tendency to pronounce, may have a tendency to change the pronunciation of I. Instead of pronouncing I, they pronounce it A. They want to change the pronunciations A. In the case of rain, instead of saying rain, they change it the pronunciation to rain. Instead of saying Spain, they change it the pronunciation to rain to Spain. And I don't know if this I don't know if there are scholars out there studying this kind of phenomenon because it it seems that it happened in English and it's also happening in Japanese. And I think that that's just, I don't know, that's very very interesting. I think that I like to share with you. So that's it.